Hi everyone, welcome to Bombay Hair. My name is Lou from LV Hairdos, and I've been a professional bridal hairstylist for 10 years. I use Bombay Hair on all my brides because I love the variety of shades, weights, and lengths they offer. Their extensions are thick from root to tip, made with 100% human hair, and can last through many uses with proper care. Today, I'll be walking you through proper hair extensions care and how to wash your hair extensions. Let's get into it. The shade I'm working with is an off black. I'll be using a Bombay Hair detangle brush, Bombay Hair extension stand, and a Bombay Hair storage bag. First step, brush before washing. Using the detangle brush, gently brush the hair starting from the ends and work your way up to the roots. Ensure all knots are removed to avoid tangling during washing. Step 2, prepare your washing station. Fill a sink or bowl with lukewarm water. Then mix in a small amount of sulfate-free shampoo. Step 3, wash the extensions. Submerge each weft one at a time. Gently work shampoo through the hair, avoid rubbing or twisting. It's important that you wash your extensions properly because it increases longevity and keeps them soft, smooth, and tangle-free. Use sulfate-free, alcohol-free, hydrating formulas like moisturizing shampoo, deep conditioning mask, lightweight leave-in conditioner, and heat protectant before blow-drying. I do require my brides to wash them before their first use. I find that doing so it styles and holds curls better and longer throughout the day. Washing will remove product buildup from styling like heat protectant and hairspray. It will refresh the extensions after multiple wears. Also will restore shine, softness, and movement. Bombay hair extensions should be washed every 5 to 7 wears depending on how much products were used. Keep in mind that extensions don't produce natural oils like scalp-grown hair, so only wash when necessary. Overwashing can dry out the strands. Once all the hair is washed with shampoo, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Step 4, condition. Apply conditioner or a hydrating mask from mid-lengths to ends. Avoid the weft base to keep it secure. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water for added shine. Remove excess water by gently squeezing the hair. Do not wring. Next, lay the extensions flat on a towel and pat dry. For best results, air dry. Before letting it air dry, it's important to brush through the extensions once again to get rid of any tangles. Always start brushing from the ends and work your way up to the roots. Use the Bombay Hair extension stand to hang each weft for even, tangle-free drying. If blow drying, apply heat protectant all over. Brush again to distribute the product evenly. Use cool or medium heat. Focus drying from the roots. Point the hair dryer downwards. By the time the roots are dried, the mid to ends will also be close to done. Once dried, set them aside and repeat. Once dry, gently brush to smooth out the hair, then it's ready for storage. Lay the extensions evenly onto the hanger, then place inside the Bombay Hair storage bag to keep them protected from dust, moisture, and tangling. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can shop all these items on the Bombay Hair link listed below. Leave your questions in the comment for future styling and care videos. Thank you for watching.